No, man, ito ba ito nino? Bumangbayan na ba dahil na fighting in no. I'm tired. It is boo hour, and today is something a little different. We're going to be using kayaks today, but we're not going fishing, not doing nothing like that. We're going to the river. We're going to the Brazos river. We're going to go kayak down the river. I have my sports camera. This video is going to be a little different. It's going to be a lot of scenery type in the video, and then me breaking in between, talking a little bit, breaking in between and talking. So it'll be a unique type of video, but it's going to be a fun video. So let's get into it. Next time you see me, we'll probably be entering the water at the Brazos. Huh? Yeah, I started it. Man, this is already awesome. We need to do this more often. I know, we ain't going nowhere. Well, I don't know how far we've traveled so far, but we found a small, like, gravel barge area. We're taking a break.
Barge.
Because we're tired. Well, what else do you want to call it?
Sandbar, gravel bar, what is it?
Gravel bar, that's what I called it.
It's barge.
Barge, whatever. But look at the section of river. Look at the, whatever those are called. I don't know what those are called. Beautiful section of river. If you've never gone kayaking before, you should definitely try kayaking. It is so much fun. Find your local kayak rental service. Get out of the house on one weekend and just go kayaking with the family. It is so much fun. We're having a blast out here. You should definitely try it. Oh, it's so relaxing. Oh, it's pretty deep. Ooh, something pretty big right here. Look at, I like it. You could almost just fall, right? Something been running up and down right there, look. Up and down. There's another one right there, look. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, God. You know this has to go in the video, right? Hey! That's bullshit! Look at that formation, that's awesome. That's cool right there. I know. It's like a natural stage. Get up there and dance for me. Look how big it is too. That's what gets me. It's so freaking huge. That's awesome. That's freaking awesome right there. I ain't never seen that before. We're getting ready to take another break. So far we've gone 3.16 miles. I'm using an app on my phone to track our trip. So At 1.5 miles roughly we took a break. So we're at 3 miles now. We're taking another break. Not exactly sure how much longer we have to go, but I'm loving this. This is so much fun. You need to get out and go kayaking or tubing. It is so much fun. Get out of the house and enjoy nature. This right here, this is awesome. It don't get no better than this, folks. We're in the home stretch. When we make this bend, we should be able to see the other bridge. Should, we think. We're not really sure. We're at 4 miles right now. The last 9/10 of a mile, we were paddling directly into the wind and it kicked our butts. But we're almost done. We're enjoying it. You having fun? You're making fart noises. That's my dad making fart noises. Oh, that's pretty deep right here too. I'm hitting rocks right here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, he hit the bottom of my boat. I got that on camera, I believe. There's the bridge. Yes. Oh, that was on camera. That was a fun little bit of rapids. You have to make them difficult for them to be fun though. We have finished the trek. Let me read off the final, all the way, pretty much the final distance of the track. So, we've covered 5.35 miles on the river. That is insane. We did it in 2.5 hours. Our moving time was 2 hours, but we stopped and rest for 30 minutes, and our maximum speed was 3.6 miles an hour, and our average speed was 2.1 miles an hour. And if you're wondering, I'm using the GAIA GPS app. It's a cool app. I've used it a couple of times before. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a follow on the river. Make sure to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go out and try kayaking. If you haven't done it in the past, go out and try it. It's a wonderful way to get yourself on the river. Go try it. It was fun. I enjoyed it. Dad Boom enjoyed it too. I'm out of here. See ya. Yo, man, Dangdo. Bye.